check out these marble hooks. These are really nice, made of wood. The coolest part is there's a little marble underneath here, and it uses gravity so that when you put your cloth, your towel or shirt or whatever, it will hold it in place with gravity, and then you can push it up and then take it out. So you have this nice look here, and then you have this one here too that actually has the demonstration on it, like it tells you what it is. That way, if you have a guest or something, they might not know what it is. It might be really good at like a Airbnb or a beach house. Really cool design. I love that white wooden look to it. It comes with all of the screws, and even it comes with anchors for them. Pretty easy to install, just 2 screws right there, and that's it. And the marble does the rest. So it's a really cool design, and just fantastic cut. It looks great in your house. It looks great like in a bathroom, or like over by your pool, or even in your kitchen if you have tea towels that you want to hang up. So I really like it a lot. It stands out. It's really creative. Highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.